Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be looking at Tesla, the job reports, pretty much everything about the market today. So make sure you guys like, follow, and if you want to learn more, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass, private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, all that stuff you need to be a profitable trader, and you guys can get 50% off by using code FALL. So I'll see you guys in there. Like, follow, and let's dive into this. So, all right. So when looking at Tesla, I want to show you guys a couple of things. Tesla stock here is squeezing like crazy. It's up well over 5%, right? So today, not that. What am I looking up? TSLA. Tesla stock here. Why is it popping down? There we go. Tesla stock is up 5%. At one point, it was over 6-7%. That's crazy. I did that. But you guys can see just this massive move, right? Going from 346 all the way up to well over 418. Now, this move in less than a month is 22%. So a massive move. Now, why? That is the main question. Why are we getting buying pressure? And it is because Elon Musk himself is purchasing $1 billion worth of stock as a sign of confidence in the electric auto space, right? So I think we all know when a CEO or an executive or some sort of insider member purchases shares of the company he's in, that gives us insight, that gives us hope for future growth. But one of the things here that does kind of concern me with this is this massive lead up, right? A stock climbing 22% in a single month. If we look at the financials, you guys will notice that they're still average, right? Looking at some of the key indicators, right? The gross margin's down, the operating margin, the income statement, we've missed revenues. So I understand that we're getting great growth, right? The average analyst has a price target at 329 with it being 417. It's kind of one of those things where it could be a little bit overvalued. I think it'll dip down to that $400 level back in, probably like this range to 400 to 380 would be a decent pickup to pick up some shares. But, right now with Tesla, I would probably hold off on going like a long-term investment with it just because that rapid move going straight up, you're pretty much purchasing the stock at around all-time highs. And that's just never the thing you want. You want to buy low, sell high. So for me, with Tesla, I'm sitting on the sidelines. Now, as far as it goes with the general S&P 500 SPY, right? We've seen a little move today. A lot of this is fed by the share spike in Tesla, as you guys can see. So NASDAQ is up over 100 points. It's kind of led by the Tesla share spike. So that's helping kind of push the market along today. And then as far as everything else goes, what else do we got on the market today? Well, a lot of investors are nervous about the job report coming out. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull this up. All right, right here. So a lot of people are nervous because the job growth is down by almost 1 million jobs through March. This could be signaling an economy on a shakier footing than realized. Because, with a market like the S&P 500, right, being essentially at highs, right now, investors are thinking, okay, everything is going great. There's no concerns. When you have something like this come out, that could cause investors to get nervous about the market conditions, honestly, that we are in right now. So as far as it goes with just general investing, just keep it simple. Invest into the S&P 500, keep it consistent. You sell off to your advantage. If we go through some sort of dip down, with this, understand most of the time it's just a short-term blimp the average recession only lasts 14 months. So ideally, if we get that dip down, use that to your advantage to pick up some shares. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed it today. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.